Hello, I'm Tobias from Midea and I'm happy to introduce our new Solstice Split AC. In this video, I will show you how to repair it easily. Before we start, please make sure that you have all the required certifications to be allowed to work on split ACs.
To address common issues, such as connection pipe leakage, indoor unit PCB failure, and indoor unit fan motor failure, we have developed simple and efficient solutions to improve maintenance processes. The removal of the pull-down structure is very simple. The built-in support holder provides quick access. The easy access to the pipes enables faster and clearer inspection. The PCB can be removed in just 5 quick steps. 1. Open the front panel. 2. Remove just one single screw to open the electronic control box cover. 3. Lift the cover to access the control box. The frame does not need to be detached. 4. Disconnect the cables from the PCB with ease. 5. Pull out the PCB simply by sliding it towards you. This improved design reduces the steps required from 8 to just 5. A revolutionary solution allows the fan motor to be replaced without detaching the indoor unit from the wall. The process is as follows. 1. Detach the pull-out structure by removing a few bolts and releasing the tabs on the back. 2. Disconnect the electronic control box from the unit. 3. Remove the motor bracket to access the fan motor. 4. Replace the motor with the new one. 5. Reconnect the control box and reattach the pull-out structure. This new approach speeds up the maintenance process by about 70% compared to conventional indoor unit designs.